know guys, one thing I have realized in this world is don't be too serious, ba? Like, parang pati all you need is to ask, you know. Parang, syempre, it's hard to sa una, pero anong mawawala sa'yo kung magtatanong ka, diba? Like, crazy. Pero, yeah. Crazy people, crazy life. Ganda ng mundo. Be grateful. Ngayon, 2025, I'll be grateful talaga. Like, I'll try my best to be grateful. Yeah, it's the only way. It's the only way to be grateful, bro. Like, yes. Kailangan talaga natin yun sa buhay. Ganda. And choose your friends wisely. Kasi yung environment mo, parang it can really affect you. And it's a big toll sa'yo kung sino yung lagi mong mga nakakasama. Siyempre ina-influencean ka nila. Parang bro, choose your friends wisely. It's okay to be choosy, like, pero pick yung mga the best and yung mga kagaya mo or like-minded mo, para everything's gonna be perfect. Oh my god, look at that, bro. Look at the look at the sun, bro. Oh my lord, what a beautiful life we live in, brody. I just finished like 7 pages today. I'm trying to read and exercise more. And yeah, pag-exercise naman ako. Jogging ako papunta dito sa Kaliraya. I need to start studying then and learning how to play the guitar. Talaga, parang I need more new habits para, alam mo, may tuturo ako sa mga, para maangas ako, diba? Ano lang naman, palubog na yung araw and pauwi na din ako. Alas 6 na. Nagpunta ako dito mga alas 5. Grabe, ang ganda ng mundo. I don't know what I'm saying, pero yeah. That's beautiful, bro. Just need to with a picture ako ngayon. So kung ano man yung sinasabi ko, para din yan sa sarili mo. Para din yan sa sarili mo, statement. Kung ano man sinasabi ko ngayon, siguro yun din yung kailangan sa sarili ko. Kasi parang like, kakampi ko din yung sarili ko sa laban na to. Still trying to figure out what my life is going to be. I need to know my purpose. Like, I'm 20 years old and I'm so broke. I don't have my own money. I don't have a job. I'm a student though. I'm in college in Mapua University. What a school, diba? Pero bro, it's so hard, like, God. Pero I'm still thankful and grateful na I got to study in a magnificent and very nice school. Mapua University is known as one of the best engineering school in the Philippines. And doon ako napasok. Doon pa lang parang kailangan na talaga maging grateful and yeah, I need to change my habits and need to remove bad habits. Pero sabi kasi dito, sabi dito, there is no good or bad habits. There are only effective habits. So, kailangan kong tanggalin yung mga hindi effective na habits sa akin. And it is hard. Yeah. Pero, we're trying naman our best. Yun lang naman. To reflect more. Journal. Yeah. Yun lang. Baka crazy people right there. And kailangan ko din siguro palitang yung masyadong childish daw ako, sabi. So what's wrong for being childish? Parang tinatanggol lang nila ako ng freedom to be myself. I mean, I'm just trying to be myself. That's what's important. Pero, kailangan ko siyang ilugar and bawasan. But, like I care, I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna be myself and no one can stop me. No one can stop me. I'm all the way up. And yeah, life's gonna be good. Let's go. Life's gonna be good, life's gonna be better, I'm gonna be rich, and I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna have a wonderful life. Kaya ingatan ko ang sarili ko, I'm gonna be healthy, I'm gonna be fit, I'm gonna be successful. Yeah, I'm gonna do it all. Bye-bye. This is it, Pansit. I'm gonna post you on YouTube. Gonna go home now. Pero ito nyo naman. Yeah, damn, what a beautiful life it is, bro. I'm gonna go home now.